Today we're looking at the fifth tarot, Restoring the Fifth Element deck. This is another deck that used to belong to my aunt. Traditional tarot decks focus on 4 suits, which each of those represent fire, water, air, and earth. This one adds a 5th suit, which is ether, which represents like life force. It's called the lotus in this deck. Each of those suits have a corresponding color that represents that category. For green is the earth, and this suit is called stones. And then the red one is fire, which represents fire. And the yellow one here represents air, and it's feathers. And the purple one here, or not purple, it's blue, is the water suit, and it's called shells. And then the ether suit, which is called lotus, and it's like a purplish color. Each of the cards, not these ones, but the major arcana, each of the major arcana has symbols around the edges. This is the planetary astrological sign, the numerology correspondence, the star symbol, the sacred symbol of Mu, and the mind glyph, and then the title of the major arcana. Charts for the symbols, the star symbols, and the mind glyphs, and all of that. Each of those have a chart in the back here. And I showed you those. In this deck, I did the lotus spread, or not the lotus spread, it's called the fifth tarot spread, which is pentagram. For the fifth spread, you separate each of the suits into their own decks, including the major arcana, and then you draw one card from each suit and place it in its respective place, like so. So, for example, on the court cards, here's the fire suit. For the court cards, we have Seeker, Initiate, Apprentice, and Elementor, formerly King, Queen, Knight, and Page. The point of this is to remove the gender reference of the King, Queen, Knight, and Page. Here are some examples of the major arcana. I thought it was pretty cool after I got the book all broken down and all of that. I like that each of the cards kind of have a little guide on them. For example, the Ten of Fire, like it has a word on it. They each have like a word that corresponds. That's one of the court cards, the Seeker of Fire. Anyway, that's the fifth tarot deck.